video ay gagawa tayo ng self-care routine vlog. So, we're going to get unready. Get unready with me. Welcome to my vlog. It's me, Zaira. So, kakagaling ko lang sa debut ng friend ko and 80th birthday. I'll be back. Bye! Hi guys, so kakatapos ko lang maligo and medyo natuyo na rin yung buhok ko. Kakatapos ko ng blower. So, susuklayin ko lang siya. Yan. So, ang first kong ilalagay after I take a bath is my peel off mask. Since parang may nakikita na kasi akong whiteheads and blackheads sa ilong ko and sa mother part like here. So, dito ko. Yan. Para lang siyang cream. Yan. So, aantay muna tayo ng 15 to 20 minutes. Leave natin siya ng 15 to 20 minutes. While I'm at it, ilagay na din natin yung yung whitening pack peel off mask. Aantay lang ako ng 15 to 20 minutes. Yan. Hair lang. Anyway, get ready with me.
Yawan ko yung JT mo.
Hi guys! Hi guys! So I just washed my face and as you can see, wala na yung mga peel off mask and completely clean na ulit yung face ko. So I'll just use tissue since for me, tissue is more hygienic than using a towel. Pag-rub na pag-ganun. No. Madadamage yung face, yung skin. So, I just softly wipe my face. So, hindi siya mag-damage. Okay? After this, gamit ako ng toner. So, using this cotton, ito yung ipang gaganon ko sa face ko. Open na natin siya. Small amount lang since my face is sensitive and this product is brought to you by Charas. This product is too strong for me. So, small amount lang talaga yung nilalagay ko. Tsaka ganto-ganto lang kasi parang sobrang hapdi kapag gaganunin ko talaga. Yan. Sa forehead, actually, dapat medyo konti lang yung nilalagay ko talaga dito. Kasi this is my most sensitive part. Diyan most commonly ako nagkakaroon ng pimples.